يخرج فصل.
You don't break, you rise, even when the world forgets your name. The darkness called me home, but I walked toward the flame. I grew from quiet suffering, a child unseen, unheard, unknown. Every night I stitched my wounds with threads of hope I found alone. My heart was bruised but beating, a quiet soldier in the night. And even drowning in the darkness, something in me still chose light. I fell, but I learned. Every fall teaches you how to burn, not in pain, but in strength. I rise again, I rise again. And I choose